Let's fix dinner for myself and then my little girl. Hello, it's a great honor to have you on the channel today. We are frying plantains, fish, and then making some pepper sauce. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and we share easy recipes only on this channel, so please do well to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my fish. So this is round scarred fish. Okay, this is not Ghana or PS, please. This is actually looks like montontre. Okay, it looks like montontre. So let's say it is montontre, not the panla or the PS that sometimes some of us refer to it as, oh, so the English name for the panla is round scarred fish. No, this is not panla. This is montontre. Yeah, that is the local name. So that is just by the way. We have finished scraping off the scale. I'll just go ahead and then cut it according to the size I want and then clean the fish very well. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please do well to follow or subscribe to us. Okay, if you want short detailed videos, please check us on YouTube Short, Instagram, TikTok. Oh my goodness, you are going to fall in love with our videos. For Chi or our local dialect, okay, videos on YouTube, follow us at Recipe Goddess. The videos we place there are totally different from the one we place at wherever you're watching me from. Okay, now I am done cleaning everything. I'll clean with lemon juice, and now the fish is in the seasoned water. I will just go ahead and allow it to be in for about 10 minutes and I'll get back to you. So whilst we are waiting for that, I have with me here my pepper, onions, and some more ginger. I'll go ahead and then add my salt. That is pink salt, and then grind the pepper very well. So we don't want the situation whereby the food will be ready and now we have to grind pepper. I'm that person who always want to eat hot food, okay, just because of how I was brought up. That we'll talk about it someday. Yes, I can't eat cold food. Yes, I'm used to it. I can be eating on fire. Yes. So now whilst we are done grinding the peppers and the other ingredients, we'll go ahead and then slice some tomatoes and then grind. So slicing it like that always makes the grinding very easier. Yes, at my area we have that perfect tomatoes. Yes, it is organic. Our tomatoes are organic, so when you grind pepper, it is so good. I added extra salt to that and then I'll go ahead and grind it. That does not mean you will come to my area and then finish our tomatoes. So please, do not come here. That is just by the way, I'm kidding. Okay, now we are done grinding the pepper. I have with me here my ripe plantains and I'll go ahead and then wash them very well. If you see me talking on top of my voice, forgive me, okay? My little girl and then the grandmother, they are making noise. And it like, I don't want it to come to the voiceover, okay? That people will be shouting and other things. That is why it's like I'm screaming. I'm talking on top of my voice. I calm down, I go middle and other things. So forgive me, yes. So we will continue with the washing. At least wash it about 3 times before you peel the skin. Because when you are peeling the skin, you may touch the plantain itself and you don't know what you are trying to put in the plantain, and we don't know where the plantains are coming from since we did not plant it ourselves. Even if we planted it ourselves, some birds can come and then do their own things on the plantain. So now we are done washing everything. We'll go ahead and then peel off the skin. You see that? Yes, now I'll go ahead and then cut it according to any size that I want, any shape that you want to cut this into. You can go ahead and then do so. Since the plantains are many, I'll be showing you some on the screen and then go and continue the rest behind the camera. And when I am done, I'll get back to you. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers, for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. Okay, I'm so grateful. You are the reason I have been here. Now we are at 36k subscribers. Ooh. I'm so excited, but not excited because with the video to okra win your views. You are not getting views and you are getting subscribers. YouTube, why? Me, I don't like subscribers. I want the views with money. I want money. Now we are done peeling everything and we'll go ahead and then fry our fish. It has been it was in the water for 10 minutes. We drained the water from it, and then now we have coated it with the all-purpose flour, and we'll just go ahead and fry it. So please, YouTube, we don't want subscribers who will not watch us. Why are you giving us subscribers who will not watch us? It is not fair. Give us those who will watch us, okay? Or better still, do not give us the subscribers, because getting a lot of subscribers without getting views there, yeah, wow. I mean, your subscription must match or be in line with your views. Now if you give us more subscribers and then we are not getting views, I mean, it doesn't look like. Sometimes I feel ashamed. To be honest, I'm telling you my heart, I don't feel comfortable. So please give us the views too, okay? And not just views, we want money. Our fish is ready. We will just remove it from the oil and then allow it to rest on the paper towel. So please give us more views that will bring us money, not views that will not bring us money. You give us like 10k and then we get $2. We'll go ahead and then fry our plantains. So give us the high revenue and then the views. That is what we want, not more subscribers, because subscribers do not give us money. Okay, you need break this 2025. Our eye is red. We want money, not low views, high this thing. I have a particular video that gave me about 6k subscribers. So where are they? Just a video gave me 6k subscribers. Where are they? It's not nice, YouTube. I mean, let me stop talking because they are not even hearing me. I'll go ahead and then flip my plantains, okay? And then we are good to go. I'm so sorry about the plenty talks, okay? But it's some way. I don't understand it that you have subscribers and they don't watch you. And some I mean, it's okay. Our plantains are ready. We will remove it from the oil and then allow the plantains to rest on the paper towel or in the colander so that we can enjoy it very well. And trust me, this with the pepper, oh my goodness, and then the fried fish, it was absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Try this combo and trust me, you will fall in love with it. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I love you. See you in the next one, and take good proper care of yourself, okay? So that I can see you in the next one. And trust me, you can't afford to miss it. Bye-bye.